So this little thing of beauty is the Huawei Pura 80 Pro, and there's a bit of a story behind it. So as you guys know, I am an avid Sony lover, and what actually happened was my ZV-E10 just up and died on me. The motherboard failed and I was actually stuck. Thankfully, I had the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which helped me shoot. And when I went up to Joburg, I was actually telling to Huawei, hey, I'm having a problem shooting because I don't have a camera anymore. I was like, Prashant, you know what? We have something we want you to try out, and that is this little thing of beauty. And the reason why it's so cool is because apart from just being a normal phone, this camera is revolutionizing the landscape of photography and videography, especially for phones, because this has a 1-inch sensor built into this device. And I honestly think that this is becoming my next shooting device, and I'm done with cameras. So let's get into the video. So I have the Pura 80 Pro in black, and it measures 163 by 76 by 8.3 millimeters, weighing around 219 grams, right? And the finish, the curves, the camera module, everything is premium with this device. And that's the thing I love the most about this phone. So for a display, it has a 6.8-inch TPO OLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. And it ships with 12 gigs of RAM and is available in 256, 512 and 1 terabyte versions. I have the 512 version, right? And it ships with EMUI 15 or Harmony OS, depending on your market. Now, in terms of what is powering this, it has a 5170 milliamp hour battery that comes with a 100-watt charger. Now, let's talk about the cameras. So in terms of the camera, right, it has a 50 megapixel main, and that 50 megapixel main has a 1-inch sensor, right, with variable aperture and OIS. It has also a 40 megapixel ultra wide and a 48 megapixel telephoto with OIS as well. Now, in terms of the front camera is a 13 megapixel camera with autofocus and supports up to 4K video, right? The phone itself, to round up, is durable because it's IP68 and 69 resistance for dust and water, and also supports Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC for tap and go payments, and so much more. It has an AI anti-peeling privacy screen, continuous translation, and even satellite messaging support depending on your region. So there's a whole lot of features that are built into this device. So all in all, what do we think? The Pura 80 Pro is an absolute game changer, because the conversation is always, hey, is phones ever going to be better than cameras? And truly, I think that we have gotten to that point, because I've taken a lot of photos and a lot of videos as well with the Pura 80, because I got it when I was traveling in Johannesburg, when I was at Comic-Con Africa, when I was at the Festival of Motoring. And the content that has come out of this was absolutely next level. And something that you guys might not have even noticed is we have been actively shooting with the Pura 80 Pro in the studio. So our A camera in the studio was actually the Pura 80 Pro. So phone photography and videography is getting to the next level, and this is just the first step. And many people may have the conversation about Huawei and their lack of access to Google and all of those things, but Huawei has done an excellent job even in terms of some of the applications that they have built. Did you know that Huawei has MeTime, their very own version of FaceTime, like for Apple devices? I didn't either. So a lot of people sleep on Huawei devices, and this is the first step to the next level in phones as well as in photography and videography. But guys, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by giving a like rating if you did.
If you already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. And as always guys, thanks for watching. My name is Prashant. I'll catch you in the next video.